What up, what up, what up? Working on the SS. You see the real deal? You see it right there. Keep it clean. We're working on the Purge valve solenoid. You see mine's broke on me. You see it snapped on me. It snapped on me right there. You see where it broke off at? Anyway, for this job, you're gonna need you a 10 mil, a flathead, and an extension, really. Oh, and some strong fingers. Oh, if you do have a pick tool, I recommend the pick tool. But obviously, take your flathead, bend that back, pop that out. You know what I'm saying? And take this little twisty thing right here. That one right there. Right there. You're gonna bend that up. See how it goes up? You're gonna bend that up. Why are you bending that up? Why are you bending that up? Pull it towards you. You might need two hands. But bend it up, pull it towards you. That comes out like so. You know what I'm saying? Get your extension. Get that 10 mil out. Let's get her out real quick. Right there. In normal circumstances, mine's broke. But you would take this, pull this up, and pull out, pull it towards the driver's side. So out with the old, the new. Just reverse the steps. Go ahead and line that up. You know what I'm saying? That's why they put two holes. You know what I'm saying? That way if one don't fit, use the other hole, whatever. But I recommend, you know what I'm saying, putting that in there first. Like so. Pop that up in there. And then slowly put this on. Be very careful. You hear that snap? And then go ahead and snap that back in. Like so. Get your extension. Find the hole. If you think the hole is there, go ahead and take your extension. Like so. See, it's already tightening. As soon as if it's already tightening, that means the threads are getting crossed. And it ain't in there right. It should never just start tightening as soon as you start trying to twist it in. So, hold on. And just go ahead and do your thing. You know what I'm saying? Make sure that goes up in there. Like so. Yeah, just like that. Make sure that gets nice and tight. Oh yeah. That's how you do it, pretty much. If you want it to look nice and beefy, you know what I'm saying, keep the cover off. I go ahead and throw the cover back on. Do your thing. Comment. Oh yeah. I recommend taking this off too. Taking this off, like I said, that twisty part. Snap that towards you and pull up. So that way, he's notorious for breaking, snapping in half too, you know what I'm saying? So while you're laying on the engine, you ain't gotta worry about snapping it in half. Do what you wanna do. Comment, you have any questions?